Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the Instagram display on your iPhone. So let's check what the display that I use on my Instagram by opening the Instagram application. So you can see now my Instagram is in the dark mode. So whenever you open your home sections, profile section, they will be in a dark mode. So here let's just try to change the display. So you just need to go back home, and after that you just need to open the settings and just scrolling down until you found this display and brightness right here. So you just need to go click it. Now you just need to change the dark into the light. So you just need to go click it. And whenever you change the mode or the appearance of your iPhone from dark to the light, the Instagram will be follow you. So you just need to go back home and open your Instagram application, and you can see now my Instagram is already in a light mode. So that is the way how to change the display of the Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.